Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Bolt Trading Academy with Victor, and today we will be doing the analysis on the gold, which is XAU USD currency pair. The price has been trending up, as you can see, quite strongly. This shows the weakness of the dollar. Overall, price has reached the high near $2,075 and then corrected down sharply. Gold has been moving within the ascending channel, and when this top has been reached on the 7th of August, the upper trend line of the ascending channel was rejected. This is the first bearish signal. Now let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. So here what we have is rejection of one of the moving averages, which is exponential, although the simple moving average was broken with a period of 200. Lower trend line of the descending channel hasn't been tested, which means that it might be tested in the future. So I do think that this breakout shows some weakness along with the rejection of the upper trend line of the descending channel. Now here we have applied 2 fips, first to the last wave to the upside, and second to the first correction to the downside. And what we have is 2 important levels to watch. First would be the 61.8 fips, which is at 1990. We can see that here there was a rejection of this level. Let's move back to the daily chart. On the daily chart, clean bounce of this level, and it will be extremely important to see whether there will be a close still below the previously made low or not. If gold will manage to close below, the sharp correction down can easily follow. But if the price will close above, we might see gold rising towards the next resistance level, which is $2,045. This level is confirmed by 2 fips, 88.6% and 23.6%. So here is kind of a double sentiment. While the price might be going up, it also might correct down strongly. But as I said, 61.8 on the daily time frame is extremely important to watch. And if we move to the 1-hour time frame, here we can see that there is a massive supply demand zone. Rejection, bounce, bounce, rejection. And this area will be important if the daily close will be above this level. And in this case, this could be the selling opportunity, although also must be watched for rejection because gold might continue trending upwards. So all in all, the scenario is that price is expected to correct down as long as daily close will be below 1990. That might result in a very sharp decline towards the average price uptrend trend line. The price might be correcting towards the 1800 level, potentially even lower, but that could be an ABC corrective wave to the downside, then some consolidation, and then uptrend, long-term uptrend could continue. On the other hand, break above 2040 should push price higher towards potentially 2200 level. So for now is a wait and see, and just quickly go to the silver just to see what happens there. We had this uptrend trend line which was broken, and this is also a sign of weakness. Now we have applied fips to this last wave to the downside, corrective wave to the downside. And this is similar scenario that we might see the level of previous supply demand to be tested. So if I zoom it to 1-hour chart, this is our area. We can see there was a selling pressure. Now there was some buying pressure, and then again sell, and price went down. Silver has approached this area. Well, it's approaching, it's getting very close, and yet to be seen what will be happening. Also, the Fibonacci shows that there was a clean bounce of 61.8 retracement level at $27, as well as 200 simple moving average. So there was this bounce, and in order for the price to go down, we need to see the break below this area. Only then price might go down along with the gold. we need to watch both of these instruments, both of these metals, and see what happens, because here we have an important level to watch, and on gold we also have an important level to watch. At this moment it's still very bullish, but depending on the price action we might expect a strong correction, move to the downside this week or perhaps the next week, to be seen. So far it's bullish. Watching the resistance levels on the gold is 2045, on the silver it's at $28 area. Let's move to the previous ideas we had. Australian Swiss franc getting in green, still waiting for the massive uptrend. Euro Swiss franc also got in green, waiting for continuation of the uptrend. Australian dollar, here we are continuing to trade upwards, so still expecting the resistance to be tested. Pound Swiss franc back in green, so here we still can see a massive growth on this pair. Dollar Swiss franc, it's still forming a triple bottom without no clear confirmation that there will be a downtrend, although it's very possible if there will be a massive red candle on the 4-hour chart, maybe we can see, but it's always important to watch the daily close. On the daily close we're still forming this support area, and here there might be more of the consolidation. This is not that attractive currency pair to watch at this moment. It's too risky to buy, it's too risky to sell. Canadian Swiss franc, we almost got to the entry point. You can see price hasn't reached the stop loss, so the trade remains valid. Obviously one of my favorites, along with the Australian Swiss franc. Pound dollar, we had some move today. Pair is in green. Just to remind you, half profit can be fixed when the pair has moved half the way towards the resistance, towards the target, and then stop loss at the break even at that stage. And now we have ideas left on the trading view. Let's have a look. It's a New Zealand Japanese yen. You can see there was a break below. Let's see the daily chart. On the daily chart there was a close below moving averages and the support. This for me means that the Japanese yen is getting strong once again, and I could expect this pair to go lower, although not without some sort of further consolidation. And yeah, it looks bearish at this stage, but not that interesting to trade it, to sell it at this low, since price already moved quite a bit. On the strong corrective move to the upside, maybe there will be an interesting opportunity, or perhaps when the pair is back in the green zone. And Australian Japanese yen continues to go up. It's basically a risk-free opportunity, as we have mentioned. Stop loss at the break even, half profit fixed, so waiting for this trade to actually hit the target. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this analysis on the gold and a little bit of on silver, and let me know what you think will happen to the gold. Maybe you are interested in some other assets that you want me to get analyzed. Let me know it down in the comments below, and we are back with a new trade idea tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Smash likes, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you tomorrow.